Good morning, students. Welcome to the BBPS online class. I hope you all are fit and safe in your home. Students, yesterday I taught you the story explanation of chapter 2. Chapter name is Look After Your Money. Okay? I hope you all are well understood this story. So students, today we will continue this story explanation. So read and understand this story very carefully. And students, if you have any doubt about this story, so ask me in your class group. So let us start our today's work. Chapter 2, Story Explanation Part 2. So students, yesterday I taught you the half story of the chapter 2. Name is Look After Your Money. Okay, so I hope you understood this story. Again I repeat, once a farmer had a bumper crop of paddy. He sold it and earned 10 handfuls of silver coins. He gave the coins to his wife for keeping safe. Every now and then, the farmer would take a silver coin from his wife, go to the nearest town and spend it. His wife warned him again and again not to spend money so freely, but he would not listen. Okay, but he would not listen. At length, there came a day when not a single coin was left, and now the farmer was in trouble, for he needed money to buy a bullock. What there was no money at all. So students, yesterday I finished this half story, okay, for this paragraph. Now today I am going to continue with this story. So for a whole day the farmer sat under a tree, refusing to eat or drink because he was very worried indeed. Okay, पूरे दिन फार्मर एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठा हुआ था और बिना रिफ्यूजिंग टू ईट और ड्रिंक, उसने सब कुछ मना कर दिया था, खाना पीना छोड़ दिया था, बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी वरीड इंडीड, क्योंकि वास्तव में वो बहुत चिंता में था. ओके, क्यों था? बिकॉज ही स्पेंड मनी so freely. Okay, and now the farmer was in trouble, for he needed money to buy a bullock. Even not a single coin, उसके पास एक भी सिक्का नहीं बचा था. That's why वो बहुत चिंता में था और वो पेड़ के नीचे बैठा हुआ था, सब कुछ छोड़ के. ओके, मीन्स खाना पीना से सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा था, क्योंकि वो बहुत चिंता में था. That night, to his utter surprise, his wife bought him a small cloth bag full of silver coins. Okay, that night, to his utter surprise, his wife bought him a small cloth bag full of silver coins. So उसी रात उसको एक सरप्राइज मिला. क्या? कि his wife bought him a small cloth bag. उसकी वाइफ एक छोटा सा बैग लेके आई, कॉटन क्लॉथ बैग, फुल ऑफ सिल्वर, जो कि सिक्कों से भरा हुआ था. ओके, जो कि सिल्वर कॉइन से भरा हुआ था. That's why he surprised. So the farmer thought he was dreaming. Farmer ने सोचा कि वो सपना देख रहा है क्या, वो सपना देख रहा था. Where did you get this from? He asked. उसने पूछा तुम इसको कहाँ से लाई हो. फार्मर को लगा कि उसने कोई सपना देखा है, तो उसने पूछा कि तुम इसको कहाँ से लाई हो. Where did you get this from? Okay. Then her reply was a lesson to the farmer. For every 2 coins that you spent, I put away one in this bag and hid it in a sack of paddy. She said simply. क्या उसने बताया? For every 2 coins that you spend, जब आप 2 कॉइन खर्च करते थे तब I put away one in this bag and hid in a sack of paddy. तो मैं उसमें 1 कॉइन इस कपड़े में बैग में रख लेती थी और इसको धान की फसल में छुपा देती थी. ओके. She said simply. उसने सिंपली आंसर दिया. The farmer wife was wise enough. She saved the farmers from trouble. फार्मर की वाइफ बहुत बुद्धिमान थी और उसने फार्मर को क्या कर लिया, उसने फार्मर को परेशानी से बचा लिया. So students, now the moral thought of this story is everyone must spend money wisely. Everyone must spend money wisely. सभी को अपनी मनी को बुद्धिमानी से खर्च करना चाहिए. ओके. ऐसा नहीं कि आपके पास कोई पैसे आ गए तो आप उसको जल्दी जल्दी खर्च कर लें, ये सामान ले लें, वो सामान ले लें. नो, हर ज़रूरत की चीज़ों को खर्च करना चाहिए और कुछ मनी को हमें सेव भी करना चाहिए. सो राइट दिस मॉरल थॉट इन योर लाइफ स्किल कॉपी. Everyone must spend money wisely. Okay. So students, today I finished your story, chapter 2. Okay. Read and understand very carefully, and if you have any doubt about this story, so ask me in your class group.